Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Cold and flu season is here, so does our homemade turmeric milk recipe. Let's get started and see all the health benefits of the turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or golden milk latte. Here is the golden milk powder ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger powder, few pinches of saffron, that is purely optional, about half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and green cardamom powder, and of course our black pepper powder. So mix this well and keep it in the jar. So I can tell you that saffron, green cardamom powder is totally optional, but rest of the ingredients you can use it for making golden milk. The proportion is up to you, but make sure that you have turmeric powder in a bigger quantity and ginger powder after that. So mix this well and keep it in the airtight container just like this. Boil some milk. Add about 1 tablespoon of powder and pour hot milk on it. Stir that real well. If you want, you can add maple syrup, honey or sugar in it, or drink it as is. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. Mix this real well. Drink it warm for twice a day or at least once a day to get maximum health benefits. Key ingredients are loaded with antioxidant. They are anti-inflammatory and reduces joint pain. Of course, it also increases the immunity system. It lowers the blood sugar, so there are a lot of other benefits as well. So enjoy, and I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like such recipes, keep watching more recipes on my channel, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.